Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to the time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this one yesterday, so that's where the green line here is coming from. And I'm not going to pat myself on the back, but I'm definitely patting charts on the back here. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos from the past, but if you have, you've heard me talk about the 6,000 level time and time again being denoted by that green line there as support, and how, you know what, the price is still technically making progress as long as things can stay up above there. And the price did pull back over the past 24 hours since the last video I did, and surprise, surprise, look right where the price ultimately found some support. Again, I'm not patting myself on the back, but yeah, charts do work. Are they perfect? No, nothing is perfect, but to, as some claim, have, serve no value or purpose at all, that's just pure ignorance, because like I said, the proof is in the pudding. And if you don't believe me, I'm not offended. I get it. I'm a stranger on the internet. Just go back and watch the videos in the archive from the previous days, and you've seen I've talked about 6,000 time and time again. So if you haven't connected those dots, $6,000 is definitely a key level of support. Going forward, it remains a key level of support. And after today's price movement, or I should say really the past 24 hours, that remains the key level. I realize that, cryptos are open 24/7. So even if you're watching this video 18 hours from now, the very first question you need to be asking yourself is, where does the price stand relative to 6,000? And as long as the price is up above 6,000, then that is implying that the bulls do still have a chance at making that progress. What do I mean by progress? Well, let's just assume that the price continues to do what it's been doing, stays up here above 6,000. So you look at that set of lows, and then down here you look at the previous set of lows right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. You want to just see progress forward. And like I said, progress in my definition right now is just staying up above 6,000. As far as levels of resistance, nothing here has changed. Still all about that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that, as that'll be the key level going forward as far as levels that the price needs to break through. But all in all, top priority, at least in my opinion, continues to be showing signs of progress and staying up above 6,000. So let's see how the next 24 hours unfolds, and I'll be back in about, like I said, 24 hours from now. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.